Driving an exotic sports car every day is excellent for getting back and forth to the office. But when the weekend rolls around and you need room for a few friends, a custom van by Fantasy is the only way to travel. I'm Fantasy Jim with Fantasy Coachworks. For the most complete line of custom motoring accessories for your car, van, or truck, visit a Fantasy Coachworks showroom near you, where we take your fantasy from mind to metal at Fantasy Coachworks. This is Fantasy Jim. For the most complete line of custom motoring accessories and installations for your car, van, mini, or pickup, visit a Fantasy Coachworks showroom near you and live the fantasy. It's back Sunday, September 26th. Riviera Pool, the area's most beautiful girls, will be competing to be Miss Fantasy 1983. Live on stage, Tracy's International Karate Demonstration Team. Live rock and roll, Pantera's Hot Air Balloons. On display, the finest in autoerotica, custom vans, trucks, sports cars, and antiques. See the Aerial Express skydivers attempt a pool landing from 7,000 feet. Remember, Sunday, September 26th, Miss Fantasy 1983 Finals and Bikini Competition, Riviera Pool, Highway 141 in Fenton. Be there.